Poultry farming is a lucrative business that involves raising domestic birds such as chickens, ducks, turkeys, and geese for their meat, eggs, and feathers. If you're interested in starting your own poultry farm, here are some tips to help you get started. First, choose your niche. You can either focus on egg production or meat production. If you liked our videos so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. If you're just starting out, it's best to focus on one niche and expand later. Before starting your poultry farm, it's important to gather as much information as possible. You can do this by attending seminars, reading books, and talking to other poultry farmers. This will help you gain a better understanding of the industry and avoid common mistakes. Starting a poultry farm requires a significant amount of capital. You'll need to purchase land, equipment, and birds. It's important to have a solid financial plan in place before starting your farm. You can apply for loans or grants from the government or private organizations. The next step is to build a suitable housing structure for your birds. The housing should be spacious, well-ventilated, and easy to clean. You'll also need to purchase equipment such as feeders, waterers, and incubators. The success of your poultry farm depends on the breed of birds you choose. You'll need to choose a breed that is suitable for your niche and climate. Some popular breeds for egg production include Leghorn, Rhode Island Red, and Sussex. For meat production, you can choose breeds such as Cornish Cross and Broiler. Proper feeding and nutrition are essential for the health and growth of your birds. You'll need to provide your birds with a balanced diet that includes protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. You can purchase commercial feed or make your own feed. Poultry birds are susceptible to various diseases. It's important to have a health management plan in place to prevent and treat diseases. You'll need to vaccinate your birds, maintain proper hygiene, and seek veterinary care when necessary. Starting a poultry farm can be a rewarding experience if done correctly. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to starting a successful poultry farm. Remember to choose your niche. Gather useful information. Have a solid financial plan. Build suitable housing. Choose the right breed. Provide proper feeding and nutrition. And have a health management plan in place. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.